Hello. Are you still looking for job, or maybe you already have a job but you want a better job? और दोनों ही cases में if you don't have a job और अगर आप घर पे बैठे हैं, so you must be feeling disrespected because it affects the respect when you're sitting at home and depend for money, that other people gave you things. Then obviously it just hurts sometimes and your energy is very low. And if you are already working but you want a better job because वहाँ पे toxic work environment है या growth opportunities कम हैं, or maybe you're not paid well enough as per your caliber, you don't have to worry at all. हमारे पास इतनी beautiful manifestation techniques हैं. कोई भी टेक्निक आपको सूट कर सकती है और आपकी जॉब लग सकती है आपकी मनपसंद. बाय द वे सब्सक्राइब, बिकॉज उससे आपकी सबकॉन्शियस रीप्रोग्राम भी हो जाएगी. तो देखिए, अब मैं आपको रिजल्ट शेयर करती हूँ. ये रिजल्ट मेरे एक कोचिंग स्टूडेंट का है जिनको हम मैनिफेस्टेशन जोन में रखते हैं. सो दिस इज माय रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एज अ कोच व्हेन यू ज्वाइन मी, एंड यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस वन थिंग. दिस इज यू एंड दिस इज योर जॉब. नाउ यू हैव टू stay in the energy of your goal, which is your job. What kind of job is this? How much you are paid? घर से कितनी दूर है? How you're feeling there? Do people respect you or not? Your family members happy with that? तो ये सारे क्राइटेरिया आपके मैच होने चाहिए आपकी एनर्जी के. सो माई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज टू कीप यू इन दैट जोन, इन दैट एनर्जी वॉर्टेक्स, सो दैट यू स्टार्ट सीइंग द रिजल्ट. तो अब देखिए इनका रिजल्ट है. शी इज विद मी फॉर लास्ट 4 months और क्या क्या नहीं मैनिफेस्ट किया इन्होंने. शी वाज स्टार्टेड डूइंग दिस टेक्निक वेयर शी वाज राइटिंग लेटर्स टू यूनिवर्स. उससे पहले ये स्क्रिप्टिंग कर रही थी, उसमें कुछ खास रिजल्ट नहीं आ रहा था. शी वाज गेटिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड शी वाज गोइंग फॉर इंटरव्यूज. फिर हमने क्राउन चक्रा सेशन किया, उसमें हमने लेटर टू यूनिवर्स की टेक्निक इंट्रोड्यूस की. उन्होंने ये टेक्निक लगाई और फिर देखिए रिजल्ट क्या आया है. हेलो एवरीवन एंड शिल्पा मैम, थैंक यू सो मच. आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू यूनिवर्स दैट आई गॉट अ जॉब. टुडे इज माय इंटरव्यू विद डायरेक्टर एट ऑफ हॉस्पिटल. Interview was going fantastic. He was very impressed with me and finally I got my job. They hired me as a medical officer according to my timings. Now when I met her in the session, तो इन्होंने मुझे बताया not only that इस job में उनके सारे criteria meet हो रहे थे. And she was at home for a long time. She was not able to find a job. But मजे की बात ये है, this is called manifestation. This job not only matches her criteria of timings, but it gives her all the growth opportunities. It's very close to her house, just 5 minute walking distance, and it is in the hospital where she wanted to work. और वहां पे लोग बहुत respectful हैं, and she is also very happy that the management of the hospital is very purpose oriented. They are not greedy people, and this is all what she was looking for, and she manifested this. So she is very happy, and now it's time that I share the technique with you. इस टेक्निक से आपको एनर्जी में शिफ्ट चेंज होगा, और ये क्राउन चक्रा से कनेक्टेड एक्टिविटी है विच इज लेटर टू यूनिवर्स. अब लेटर टू यूनिवर्स आप क्या सोच रहे हैं कि आपको मांगना है यूनिवर्स से? नो, यू नेवर हैव टू आस्क द यूनिवर्स, यूनिवर्स गिव मी दिस, गिव मी दैट. ये तो बेगिंग वाली टोन है. मैनिफेस्टेशन इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम दैट. तो जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड हाउ यू हैव टू राइट दिस लेटर एंड हाउ इट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम स्क्रिप्टिंग. सो शी वाज डूइंग स्क्रिप्टिंग previously where she was writing that I'm doing this job and I'm doing this and that, and you write a whole paragraph about how you spend your day at work, what kind of work is that. That is exactly scripting. Now when it is letter to universe, you and universe are one union. Like for example, it starts from my basic affirmation, I'm the child of universe. So I'm basically a child and I'm just living in that one house with the universe, or I'm one with the universe. Then my letter to universe can't be like you give me this, because I'm already there. So we are doing this job which is giving me this much of pay, where we are feeling this kind of respect and we get that growth. So it's we, I and universe are feeling this together. Universe is experiencing this work through me. I am that vessel. So it is in that tone you have to write letter to the universe. And she did it just, I think, around 11-12 days, and we got this news, because that's the only time she told me, and it worked for her. So you have to just give give it a try, and who knows, your crown chakra is open and this activity might just work for you. And if you want more, then you can also get inside my coaching. Just book a call, because अगर आप do it yourself, अपने आप भी करोगे तो भी manifestation हो ही जाएगी. अगर कुछ बहुत important है and you can invest, then you can always join my coaching. I'll help you find that technique that works for you pretty fast. Alright, then see you in the next video. Bye bye.